Hello everyone, welcome back. In previous video, you have seen that your reCAPTCHA verification is failed, and the issue is simple. The issue is simple. Only refresh your page, then again here fill all the detail and try to submit. And here one thing more. Notice here. Here write a console.log here. Data await response.json. If your reCAPTCHA verifies successfully, then inside it here data you will get a data that success value is true. It means your reCAPTCHA successfully verified by the Google's here. Fetch URL response and have response.json. Then here get a data. In the data, if it is true, then it means your reCAPTCHA verification is successfully verified by the Google's. Or otherwise, here get a error message: reCAPTCHA verification failed. Fine. So let me try again. Here fill all the details here, and also I am not a robot, and submit. If everything is fine, then here you will get a success message. Let me submit here. Here the captcha verification success. So here let me explain again here what happened. First check here your data success true. It means successfully your reCAPTCHA token. This token is verified by the Google. Then Google return a response here data. Inside data have success value is true. That means you have successfully verified your reCAPTCHA tokens. Here let me explain again here. Here first here from the client side we will get name, email, password, and here we have a reCAPTCHA token. Then first here verify your reCAPTCHA token, verify reCAPTCHA, and here pass your token inside the functions here. Inside here we have tokens. Your reCAPTCHA token and the retry is equal 3. It means if reCAPTCHA verification failed in the first time, then again try and then again try. Fine. So here your reCAPTCHA verification retry again and again and again. It means your for loop run 3 times, and after that here we will get a error message. All reCAPTCHA verification attempt failed. Fine. If your reCAPTCHA verification successfully verify in the first attempt, then you will get a data like here data that success is true. So here return a true value. Here those so that here return a true. Then here I have a true, and here I have a negation. So that's why it become false. So inside if block here the code is not run, and then after run this code return next response json dot message dot reCAPTCHA dot verification success. Basically this message sent to the client side. So that's why here I have a message reCAPTCHA verification success. Basically this message reCAPTCHA verification success. Now here how to get this message to the client side. Here we have a return message msg. So that here return next response.json. Then here send a response message. Then this message you will access in the client side here. Here get a response from the server side here. Process.envy.api.register here. Send all the detail in the body. Then get a response from the server side. Response.json await data. And here if get a error message, then this block of code run here. Then this block of code run if you will get a error from the server side. If you get a successful message from the server side, then this code will be run here. Get server message data dot message here. Data dot message. Basically this msg is the value of this here in the server side. msg reCAPTCHA verification success. So that's why basically this value message here put inside the set server message. So that's why here in the state here get a value in the server message. Then here display in the alert message here We have alert message. Here server message. If it is a true, it means inside it have a value, then display its value. And here is success is a true, then here display a success. So that's why here here have icon success. Fine. For this here save it is true, then display this icon, otherwise display this icon, error icon. This is icon. So and here display your server message. Basically server message is your this message recaptcha verification success inside server message. So that's why here display here recaptcha verification success. I hope you will get a better idea how to display a server message in the client side. Fine. So here this server message getting from the server side here MSG recaptcha verification success. So that's why this message get to the client side here server message and display as a alert message. If have a value inside a server message, then your this code will be run here. This code alert message run. Fine. Then here the next thing here. Here basically remove your reCAPTCHA verification. No need of this. This is the only for example purpose. So, fine. Here remove it. No need of it. Then here the next thing here. Here write if existing user await user that find one email. If find, then run this code. If not find, then here run this code. Then after here save all the detail in the database like your name, email, password. So here create a variable const user equal await new user await new users, and inside we have your all the values like this value name, email, password, reCAPTCHA token. Here inside it. And here are no need of a reCAPTCHA token, so remove it. And inside the password, have a hashed password. Hashed password. Fine. Here I have a hashed password. So the thing here first hash your password. So that's why import a library that is a big crypt. So first here write a so let me check here. Go to the Google and write here bcrypt npm and install this library. Copy it, then paste in your terminal npm bcrypt and here has your password. And let me check here how to use it. So here the simple logic. Let me check here. Here the first import it and here salt around 10, and here the only need of salt around and bcrypt. So that's why import here. Basically copy this code. Fine. And inside here paste here and let me cut this code from here and paste here on the top. Here we have a here write const hashed password equal, and inside the hashed password and here have a round is 10 so that your password becomes strong. And here is with await. Await has no effect on the type of these expressions. But fine. So let me hear your function defined with async. Here we have async. So fine. Everything is fine. So and then after it here write a message like console.log console.log and here we have a user saved successfully. Here write a user and if everything is fine then here display a message in the terminals console.log user saved successfully if everything is fine. So let me check here and here create a new next step and then fill all the details inside it, then success here, submit it and check your terminals here. So here data and hash must be a string. So I think something wrong. With the decrypt promise, data and hash must be a string. So here let me check here what is the issue. Here we have a await decrypt dot. Here the issue with not a compare. Here I have a hash. You hash your password. So in place of compare, here write a hash function. I will decrypt hash password, and you must have a password here. Have a password pass inside it function and round is 10 and this value hash password here write name email password hash password and again save. Here use a fake filler to fill your details and submit and check your terminals. Then here check here user save successfully. It means your detail successfully save in your database. So let me check here. Here I have a compass, MongoDB compass. So refresh it and here check my database name is auth. So that's why here check inside we have auth. We have no auth. So here write auth. We have no auth. So let me close again and again. Open it. Connect it. And here let me check here. Auth. hmm Here we have no auth. So I think we have stock. So I think something wrong. But here I get a successful message. User saved successfully. Your ID is and here your ID also generated, but the issue with your database is not visible inside it. So You disconnect it and again connect it. So let me again try to here fill the details. Here is a fake filler and submit. Something went wrong. Here something went wrong. So here console.log in your root.js here but in the terminal we have no any errors. So that check your client side here. So here in the client side here open your page.js in the console.log here console.log.errors and again fill your details and check your network tab also and console.log also. Here use a fake filler to fill your details. I am not a robot. So here submit. Here get a error message. In the response is nothing. Internal server errors. And here check console. We have not sent a response. So that's why here get error. So let me here send a message here right here msg and in place of it register here register successfully so that here at register successfully and again try to here again try to fill your detail in the form and I am not a robot and submit. Here again get errors but register successfully here. I know that the issue with his status code, so that's why here write a 200s. I know that. So write here 200s. So again try here again fill the details and choose I am not a robot and then submit. Here register successfully. You will get a message from the server side. Register successfully and check your database here. Then here create your auth database or not. Here mhm. You have successfully saved all the detail in the database, but the issue with your database is not visible here. So, mhm. So I have decided to change your database name. So inside the config.js, in place of auth, right here authx, and again run your projects. Then refresh your page again. Here check your terminals. Now it is ready to use. So here refresh it. Fine. Then here fill the data. Here use a fake filler to fill details, and I am not a robot. Then submit it. Here register successfully, and again check your database. Then here we have authx, your database here. Now here we have one users. Here we have no users. In the collections has no data. So let me check your terminals. User saved successfully, and the ID also generated here. So let me check your collections name here. Go inside your models, and we have a collections name users. So import the same name here inside. Here user / user. We have users. Name, email, password, and check your models. Here have anything issue. Here type a string enable user admin default is user. Find activation token ejectives password required email. This is the unique name. Type string required true trim. So I think again create a users. So here let fill your form, and then submit. Register successfully, and get a response. Register successfully. But we have no data here in the database. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next videos.